to 1. Also 8 to 1 for Darifa, the debutante, very well bred debutante indeed. Interesting to see how she gets on her racecourse debut. 7 to 2 for Alcia Rosia, who was 5th in a listed contest at the Curragh on her racecourse debut a fortnight ago. It's 25 to 1 for the mare Pinjara, the 15-year-old, having her second start. She actually finished 7th on her racecourse debut. She ran well for quite a long way before maybe just getting a little bit tired in the closing stages. And 50 to 1 for Oral, who was last in that particular race some 4 weeks ago. 4-year-old having his second start. Runners at the post. Start looks fairly imminent. Race 4 this afternoon, the Wath Bastard Farm Cup General Youth and Sports Authority Restricted Maiden Stakes. They're walking in. And they're off. A mile in front of them. And through the early stages, Alcia Rosia is the first one to show. Leads by just over a length ahead of the teenager Pinjara in second place. The Reefer is a further 2 lengths back in third, followed by Oral. And then on the outside, Spirited Gaming was well backed in the market beforehand. On the inside, Pollen is as Oral drops back to be the back marker as they come towards the end of the first quarter mile. Alcia Rosia and Martin Smith, she has the lead. Leads by just over a length, chased by Pinjara in second place in the maroon jacket. In third is Spirited Game, followed by Derifa in the red cap, and the back marker of the main group, Polonez, is already just having to be nudged along by Phil Collington going towards the far corner of the track. Oral was about 6 lengths behind the main body of runners as they swing down the side. Alcea in front, Spirited Game in the hands of George Blackwell gives chase. 3 lengths back to Polonez in third, Pinjara in fourth, and then Derifa towards her inside, and Oral's the back marker as they come towards the final 2.5 furlongs. Alcea still in front. Spirited Game joined for second place on the inside now by Polonez in the dark green sleeves and cap, looks to be travelling fairly strongly. Trapped by stable companion Derifa, and then behind those Pinjara, and finally Oral. They're on the run back towards the home straight, tempo beginning to live. Spirited Game's going very wide on the turn towards the home straight and in effect losing all chance, and it is Alcea who leads them as they turn in, chased by Polonez. Derifa is back in third place as they turn for home. Alcea in front down to the final furlong. Polonez with Phil Collington working hard on the left, inching closer now, draws alongside. Derifa with the red cap, Penny beginning to drop on the near side, running on fairly well into the final half furlong. Polonez has the lead from Alcea. Derifa on the near side, gathering a real head of steam up close home, but Polonez got first run and knew a bit too much and won by a half length. Derifa, plenty of promise for the future in second. Alcea close up third. Then Pinjara, Spirited Game, who hung down the side of the track, threw away her chance, and Oral last of the 6.
Here is the order of finish. First, number 2, second, number 6, and the third horse, number 3.